Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We have seen a slow day today. A slow day, but it is not a problem that we have seen a slow day because this is eventually what we want to see after such a strong move up. What we don't want to see is immediately a sell-off again. Something that happened here many times before, like here, we moved up and we came down very impulsively again. That's what you don't want to see in such an uptrend, or we don't want to see something like this where we moved up quite strongly and then crashed down again. No, what you ideally want to see, especially after a third wave, you want to see a sideways move. This keeps the general trend healthy, and best is to decline slowly. And then the next move could be another impulse to the upside. So let's talk about that in this video. It's been a slow day, but an interesting, maybe not too interesting, but a healthy day for the small uptrend that we have here. So let's again take a look at the overall pattern here. The view unchanged. This a wave one of the best charts at the moment. Ethereum, a wave two to the downside, a reversal in my target area. We moved up. And we are now in this third wave. Few people ask me what happens after the third wave, because I'm always talking about the possibility of reaching $3,000. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. But we're making a good start here. And this would be the third wave. Wave one here, wave two here, wave three here, possibly to $3,000. Why $3,000? Very simple. Because we take the 880 level, which was the June low, and start to measure from here the Fibonacci extensions. We go to the 2030 level. Back in August, and then we're measuring the most recent low, which was 1195, roughly plus minus a few dollars, doesn't really matter. And the target would be here around the $3,000 level. That would be the ideal target for a wave three, actually a little bit higher in the 1.618 extension. Few people ask me what happens after that. Well, you would expect ideally a wave four and a wave five to the upside. That would be again further confirmation that a higher level uptrend is unfolding here, 5 waves up, and then what we want to see again is 3 waves down, and that is how it is cascading higher. So that's generally here the view. In this third wave, this can take months to play out. I can't really give you a time frame. This could happen very quickly. It could also take a few months to play out. It could even be it hasn't started yet, but it's currently looking like it has. Okay. And my view is that in this third wave, we're just in the first wave, because this third wave I showed you has 5 subwaves as well. My next entry point will be the wave 2 here. So if we now zoom in, that is what most people are interested in. And from the low here at 1195, we saw a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and now we are in this third wave. There will be a 4 and a 5 ideally as well, and that is getting more likely as we are moving sideways here. Because if we see now a very strong move down that even breaks here the 1440 level or 1445, that wouldn't be good. That's exactly not what we want to see. We want to hold this support area. If we hold a bit higher and we don't even retrace into that area, that's fine as well. But ideally, I would like it to come down a bit lower. Touch at least touch 1525 and then move up from there. It hasn't touched it yet, but at the moment I'm counting this as an ABC with the C wave still unfolding. Could start at any point in time now. Bear in mind, tomorrow PCE data release, there will be a lot of volatility going on, but the point here is I don't think this rally is finished yet. It's looking like there will be more to come, especially with this sideways range today, which is healthy. It's good for the market. It's good that after such a strong move up, we're not correcting over the price. So the indicators, for example, the indicators need to correct. They were massively overheated. We were massively here in the overbought range. We saw a bearish divergence on the 1 hour, and this is now coming down, which is good, which is extremely good, because you don't want it to react negatively. You don't want that massive sell-off. You don't want too much profit taking. What this means is essentially is people have accumulated a lot of bias, came in, maybe short squeeze, but there's not much profit taking going on, and that is what we want to see. So, however, I still expect it to go a bit lower in an ideal scenario. That's what I would like to see. I would like it to get at least to 1525. Yeah, that's the 23.6% retracement. And that would be then confirmation here. I mean, the break below that last low at 1536 would be a good indication that wave C in fact is unfolding. I mean, it could be, and that would sort of be the ideal thing, that this here is just a wave 1, here a 2, here a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave C. But this is, again, micro counting, and don't really want to rely too much on micro counting. But the point is here, it still has a lot of space. It could drop from the current price another 6% without invalidating the current scenario, or without making the current scenario unlikely. So this is still the space Ethereum has, so it's holding really well for that, really well. And I expect it to come down into this area. And if it doesn't, yeah, I mean, the overall scenario is that we are going to push higher. So what always is possible, if you have a higher level uptrend, that there is an earlier than expected break to the upside, and that would, in my opinion, I have relabeled the wave B now, so I'm moving down the breakout level. That would be the wave B high, that is now at 1578. Going above that level would indicate that here the wave 5 has actually started. Ideal target for wave 5 is sort of in the region between 1660 to 1680, but it depends a little bit on how low we come in wave 4. Yeah, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.